nationality? Because I know you mentioned I think your folks are in Israel. You don't have dual citizenship?
Is your brother in Israel?
My youngest brother has dual citizenship, yeah.
And your parents?
And my parents, but I have 3 older brothers, and me, we were raised here.
You're all like gringo Americans.
Yeah.
Are they all here?
No, actually, one's in London. I mean, you want the whole history? One's in London, one's in Philly, me here.
Okay, because you had made a point about a week ago about, I think, and maybe you can add to it, as I know Geraldo mentioned the point about the Brooklyn Orthodox going to Israel. Do you think that maybe within maybe 5 or 10 years there will be more Orthodox in Israel than people like yourself in that Israel? Do you think that maybe within maybe 5 or 10 years there will be more Orthodox in Israel than people like yourself, and that could be the destruction of Israel? Do you think that may happen within the next 5 to 10 years in terms of
Even
Dershowitz?
all right, Noam, you could answer.
I don't know. I mean, there's always been this war between secular Israelis and Orthodox Israelis. It's gone on for forever, but they're still not the majority of the population, not even close.
But it is a demographic revolution, as Dershowitz defines it, going on in Israel. Israel is definitely getting more religious. The settlers are all hyper